Welcome back in the kitchen with DryerBuzz. Hey, listen, here's a quick tip. Whatever you're cooking tomorrow needs to be marinating today. So we're going to do a London broil. You can join me, cook along right with me in the kitchen with DryerBuzz tomorrow. But I had to put it in the fridge to marinate today. And I use just a quick 2 teaspoons recipe here. 2 teaspoons of my favorite rub, some mustard, some crushed garlic. I crushed that, right? I just wanted to say that, with a little bit of oil, and then just marinated my meat. I also threw some peppers in at the end just because I want to take the lid off and have those peppers, that flavor coming in. But tomorrow we're going to cook it the next day. We're going to cook it. We're going to sear it off, and then it's going to be popped right in the oven. But remember, whatever you're cooking tomorrow needs to be marinating today. Stay tuned for In the Kitchen with DryerBuzz.
Go now to DryerBuzz.com and follow @DryerBuzz on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. It's all about the buzz.